If you enjoy these videos and like to support me, TE, and also get some behind the scenes content, please consider joining Patreon.
Thank you. Welcome aboard. This is our 1974 Leyland National. It used to run in Southport, later part of the side fleet. Hence the reason why it's green and not red, but that's a different story. We're part of the Mayside Transport Collection. We have a collection of about 50 to 60 vehicles. We use a handful of them throughout the year on events like this. It's a free trip. There's no obligation to make a donation, although we do have a donation tip on the cab for when you get off the bus. We're just going to go for a little ride around, take about half an hour. Arrive back here just after 3:30. If you need the bus to stop at any time, please shout out and I'll pull over when we're safe to do so. Hopefully you enjoy the trip. Any questions, feel free to ask. See me when we get off. Hope you enjoy yourselves. Thank you.
You can see there, it's me, Tom Sedwood, also known as T. Having a bit of national J3 at West Lancashire Railway. We've come out for a day out. But we've ended up, I'm going to try and film as much as I can, but I've ended up having a bit of a tour party. We've got 4 friends with us, all behind us. Got a few Greg Bellings down there, and Chris Murray's behind me, and Andy Lenz is up top with his brother. It's ended up being a TE tour down Lancashire. That's what it's ended up being. So let's see what we can get filmed and hopefully I can make a video. I've also got Lulu, little Westie with us, dog sitting. Come on Lulu, over here. Lulu. Camera. No, she's just interested in food. Food, that's all she eats.
Just remember a
So we'll just have a ride round and I'll see you in a bit.
You hung over your pedals quite a lot. That's the only bad habit that you should. Yeah, I like keep it. Over where I thought you should like half pushed it. I just don't like it half pushed it. But I think that's me, got my angle.
I don't think I can do that because
Where I think that's right.
The other day, you know the roundabout, you want to drive towards Peanut, the police will stop you and ask you where you're going to live in right. When I went past the road, imagine if this were like 12 o'clock on the police was literally showing your shoulder about 7 o'clock.
I was catching
Why he was in green is because of this, and it might hear what it says.
That's like kept a bit of track, so we put a bit of track back in or something.
What, did he put a carriage in?
I don't think we carried, it was a piece of
Put a line in?
yeah, because it was a track back.
When I got elbowed down my
Are you showing some pictures? They've been in Sam on the railway.
Okay, crack on. No, what they did was
Time's the first run.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Oh, Lily. Got me ticket to ride, and that's one for the cameraman. There you go. Ticket. Oh, and it ends. We'll get on.
Yeah. That's all right, let's get him first.
Is there room for any more?
Yeah, might be able to. I just want to go on two of you.
She won't do anything today. She's like the most friendliest dog you've ever met.
Is it right that you don't get a crop?
Just get it.
Yeah, I'm just waiting for some.
How many?
3.
Oh, right. What are we down here? Did you want to sit in with you?
No?
We join you?
Yeah.
It's been done though. Right, if I sit down for a takeaway, I'll just get like that tandoori chicken on the bone. I don't know how Google
Water makes the steam.
God invented steam breakfast, get on. Just 45 the touch. The ash tank.
Next range is the male and the other.
Right.
This is in here. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Okay.
Yeah, and then they did another one when Croston Village got swamped, when the river flooded. China Ridge, they did one that night, didn't they?
Perhaps the rich that we're doing. Oh, we're doing it now. We've got what we put 2 million quid. And then that went all the way down what's called. It's like public contract. Yeah. Is there a picture of you with it there? Yeah, no. He just spent a fortune on his phone.
Oh yeah, the other one after that might have been Bishop Saffron. Could have been that. After that's when I found Freaky and that. This is your station here. See you later. Bye. There you go, world's only Chris Borey there in his brand new Cooper. He's just trapped himself in a 2-year contract on it, so he can't buy any more cars. That's the way to do it, isn't it? Anyway, well, that was the end of the day of West Lancashire Light Railway. So we had a few things to we just seen then Chris Borey, and we had Greg Billings turn up. They were both patrons, and then we had the friend Andy Lenz turn up and his brother, who was off Cortina City's channel. So we had quite a gang of us together, and we chatted, but cameraman just filmed as much as we could, and we had Lulu to look after her. She's had a long day, Lulu. She's already, look, she's zonked out. Once you get her in the car, then she's fast asleep again. They like back rubs, Westies, but she's knackered. She likes to get in the car. Once she's back in the car, she looks for sleep. We've been doing work on this last few days, and she's just been sitting in the car and quite chilled about it. She loves sitting in the car. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed a bit of Leyland National action, a bit of steam, full bit of Narrowgauge 2-foot steam, and a bit of quadruple-headed action at the end. What was a surprise? What's good? It's always last train where they put them all together, a bit like Romney Ivan Dunchurch said when we were down there a few months ago. So yeah, if you've enjoyed all that, make sure you give us a like, a subscribe, a comment below. There's a Patreon link below, and also click that big bell. Ding!
I don't know what it was.